Grafton is a small ghost town in southern Utah, just outside Zion National Park, settled in 1859 by Mormon pioneers. The town struggled almost from the start due to the repeated flooding from the Virgin River, difficult farming conditions, and isolation. At its peak, only a few dozen families lived here, and over time most moved away as life became unsustainable. By the 1940s, Grafton was fully abandoned. Today, only a handful of original buildings remain, including the old schoolhouse and a small cemetery, which unfortunately I wasn't able to see, all preserved as a reminder of early pioneer life in Utah.